Welcome aboard. You'll be the engineer of our mile-long train. The machine to your left has all the controls you need to operate the train. Throttle, brake, and horn. Your first job is to move the throttle lever on the control stand up slowly through the notches to accelerate and get the train moving.
Now you're
You
moving.
can check the speed on the gauges located
He's an
above the
engineer now.
control stand. This is only a simulation, so keep in mind that if this were a real train, it would take a lot longer to speed up or slow down. In fact, depending on the speed of the train and tonnage of freight being hauled, it can take up to 1.5 miles to come to a complete stop.
You like that train? I think
The train maintains speed and control through the engine, an electrical generator, and traction motors on each of the locomotive's axles. See that signal along the track with the green over red light? The signal tells you that a Norfolk Southern dispatcher has given your train permission to use the next piece of track.
Let's get back to the dispatch office. All the operating dispatch offices do not require rail systems on things like Norfolk Southern's transportation controls. It all works together to improve the efficiency of operations.
Notice all those shipping containers off to the right? Your train is carrying the equivalent of 300 truckloads of freight. That means less congestion on our highways, less pollution, and less fuel consumption.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When customers call, they always talk to their employee who specializes in the customer's product. Customers can get staff support and shipments. This is Nancy Adams. Hi, Nancy. This is John Hawkins.
Along the track, you will occasionally notice signposts that tell the driver important safety information. One of those is the horn or whistle sign, which has the letter W on it. When Norfolk Southern engineers pass one of these signposts, they must pull the horn 4 times, making 2 long sounds, 1 short, and another long. This will warn drivers that a train is coming through the crossing.
John's cars are in part number NS 463-032 and train number 24. Touch that train's button on the touch screen to authorize location. The dispatcher board shows train.
See that whistle sign ahead? Pull the horn as you go past it. It's sad to say, but about every 2 hours, a person or a vehicle is struck by a train in the United States. These incidents can be avoided by observing highway warning signs or signals which alert drivers that railroad tracks are just ahead. You should never play on tracks or railroad equipment, as they can be dangerous places. As we head downhill, you should try using the brake to slow down. In order to move the brake lever, you must first put the throttle into the idle position. You can then move the brake up through the notches to slow down. Congratulations! You are now an honorary engineer of the Norfolk Southern Locomotive Simulator. Please allow others who may be waiting to take their turns. Thank you, and have a safe day.
Way to go, Andy.
Yep.
Was that fun?
Yes.
I love that thing.